I'm Eleanor. I started a new school a few months back. I joined the school photo club to make some new friends, and it worked. It was all going well until we had a night out and sassy Susan suggested we split the bill. Maya said she had forgotten her money, so Susan asked how she was going to pay. Maya decided she was going to leave, but she still hadn't paid. Susan and I were very annoyed. We all paid, but why didn't she? It seemed rude, mean Maya, but none of us knew what was really going on in her life. Back home, Maya was annoyed at her mum for not giving her any money to go out, but it turned out that it was because Maya's mum had lost her job. Things got tough quickly for Maya and her mum. Maya stopped turning up for school and she wouldn't answer anybody's messages. So Susan and I decided to go visit. Maya apologised for pizza night and promised to pay us back, but we told her that's why we weren't there. We just wanted to see if she was okay. Maya explained she was stressed and her mum had lost her job. Susan wondered if there was anything we could do to help, but Maya said don't worry, it's fine. But it seemed like they were struggling, and that's why Susan had the idea to help raise some money. So the camera club organised a fundraiser. Everyone likes to look their best, and we were good at doing that. And some people started sharing their photos. More and more people came, even teachers. We raised loads. Magnificent Maya and her mum were able to get back on track. Maya's mum started her own small business, which we helped promote. You don't always know what's going on for people. It's best not to judge, and to just try being a friend.